This is how you can create the Shopify access token by using Shopify dev dashboard. So if you send the request, you will get the Shopify access token with the scope of right customer, right orders, and right products. And this token will expire in 24 hours. So let's see how we can create this token in Shopify new system. So I will open this my store and I will go to the settings, then I will click on apps and then click on develop apps. You will see build apps in dev dashboard. Before that we have this legacy system, but Shopify has removed this already. So click on build apps and you need to create a new app for this, for generating the new access token. So let's create a new app and name it my API connection. You can name it anything you like, but in my case I will name it my API connection, and I will create this application. Now my application is created and I need to define the scopes. So I will define the scope, what kind of scope I need. So I need right products, right orders, and right customers. I define the scopes and then I click on release. You can name the release version name, but I will leave it as it is and click on release button. Now the new version is released. I will go to the home page and install this app in my store. I will click on install and select my store where I would like to generate the access token. We have customer, product, and the order permissions. So click on install. The app will be installed. Once the app is installed, go back to the app and click on the settings to generate the API access token. You need client ID and client secret. So I will go back to the Postman and make a new request. Let me copy this URL, this same URL. So I will explain you. So your store name .myshopify/admin/auth/access. This is the endpoint where you will be making post request, and in the prompts you will be sending grant type as a key and the value of credentials, client credentials. So you will type that, and the next key you will be sending client ID and client secret. So let me just copy and paste client secret, and the key, the value you will be getting from your app. So let's go back to the app and copy the client ID. You will paste that over here and then copy the secret and paste that over here. Now if you send the request, it will give you the access token. So let's try that, and you can see we have access token with the right customer, right order, and right permission. If you need more permission, you can go back to your app and click on the version, click on home. Sorry, you need to create a new version, and in the new version you will define the new scope. Let's say I need a right inventory, and then I will click on release this, and after that you have to update the app in your store. So I will install the app and go back to my store again and update the permissions, and now it is asking me to inventory or collection added. The update this, and now if you try to get the request, send the request again, and this time you have the right inventory permission as well along with the other permissions. So this is how you can change the inventory scope, and this is how you can get the access token. With this access token you can make the Shopify admin API calls. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.